Hey ladies and gentlemen, a brand new technology here from Affinity Axis, a product of a 2-year endeavor and the quest to solve a major issue with the ingestion of oil and concentrate vapor, which is coughing. My vision was to innovate and achieve a drastic reduction in the urge to cough when using concentrates for people like myself who suffered from chronic back pain for years. And I did this with my medical grade stainless patented Venturi technology. We have 3 different attachments to fit your particular style. First, a smaller quantity attachment. Second, we have a larger quantity attachment. And third, we have the hybrid for you to choose from. No need for a carb cap with my technology, as the performance does all the work of capturing your vapor charge. We proudly manufacture in the United States of America with high-grade materials and staff. We have available both 14 and 18 millimeter male and female glass joint sizes. We are now accepting pre-orders. Please email us at AffinityAxis@gmail.com for more information, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Follow us for more updates, and most of all, thank you for your time.